Today I will be reviewing INKBOX's Freehand Ink, which allows you to do temporary tattoos in any design, which can last up to 2 or more weeks. In your package, you should receive a few items that are enough to be able to do your first application. So the first thing is the ink. I ordered the smallest size, and after my application I had more than enough left over. Then you have your nozzle that allows for you to freehand your design, your instructions, some gloves to make sure that you don't transfer ink. In addition to my kit, I ordered extra nozzle tips to be able to do more detailed designs, and transfer paper with a graphite pencil. Before I got started, I made sure to shake up the ink to make sure that it wasn't separated. I also went ahead and changed the nozzle so that way I can make sure that I have bold lines to start with. And you'll later see me change my nozzle to a more detailed and smaller tip. Make sure that you have all of your supplies in front of you, that you're working with a clean hand, and your gloved hand is your working hand. And also make sure that your nozzle is nice and tight to your bottle. Shake before you apply. If you've noticed, I've switched my nozzles so it's a much smaller tip, and I'm able to do more detail work such as shading. The amount of ink that's left in this bottle is crazy. I'm gonna have plenty of ink to do way more tattoo designs in the future. This is just one form of temporary tattoos that the company offers. You're welcome to go to their website and purchase an actual piece of art that you can transfer onto your skin, and it takes less time, but the ease of being able to draw your own design is super cool, just in case you want to try out a tattoo before you go and sit in the chair and get it permanently put on your body. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this design, and stay tuned for the end of the video so you can see how this tattoo is going to develop and get darker within hours. And voila, this is my final product. I have to let this sit and dry for up to an hour before I can completely wash my hand with the design and start developing process. Within my hour of waiting, I take the time to rinse out my nozzles with warm water to make sure that the ink doesn't dry in the nozzle, and I'm able to use it right away my next time. I actually lost the clip of me completely washing my hand, but you're able to see that my design is completely gone. Once you're done washing your hands with warm soap and water, no worries, your tattoo will still be visible. If I had to say yes or no if I would recommend this to other people, I would definitely say yes. It was a very, very, very cool product to work with. I love that it was super simple as far as instructions, and that you can really see your design develop over time. And it was definitely something that was easy to do. My design stayed for roughly a week due to my line of work. My hands are always wet from shampooing. With my pictures, you're also able to see my results in different lighting. And I also included the week later of my design nicely faded and not leaving uneven stains on my hand. I hope you guys found this review to be super helpful, and I look forward to you guys in my next video.